Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers. So today I have taken a Math Olympiad. This is theory based question and based on number theory. Prove that n cube minus n is divisible by 3. Let's begin. So I'll take help of your modular arithmetic. So we'll apply. That means I have to prove that to prove n cube minus n is congruent to 0 modulo 3. From fundamental principle of arithmetic, we know that for any integers, for any integer n, it can be one of the following form of modulo 3. What's it? First, n is congruent to 0 modulo 3, or n can be 1 modulo 3, or it can be congruent to 2 modulo 3. Now we will prove one by one. So case 1, n is congruent to 0 modulo 2, 3. So that means n cube is also congruent to 0 modulo 3, or that implies that n cube minus n congruent to 0 minus 1 congruent to your 0 modulo 3. So case 1 is proved. Now case 2, n is congruent to 1 modulo 3. That means n cube is again congruent to 1 cube modulo 3, or that is your congruent to 1 modulo 3. That means n cube minus n is congruent to 1 minus 1, because first one is 1 modulo 3 minus 1 modulo 3 is congruent to 0 modulo 3. So n cube minus n is divisible by 3. Now coming to last one, case 3. Case 3 is n is congruent to 2 modulo 3. This implies that n cube is congruent to 2 power 3 modulo 3. 2 power 3 means it is your 8 modulo 3, 3 2 times 6. So this is nothing but your 2 modulo 3. So n cube minus n is congruent to 2 minus 2. Here is 2 again. This n cube is also 2. So 2 minus 2 modulo 3, or it is your 0 modulo 3. So m cube minus n cube minus n is divisible by 3. Thank you for watching.